Experiencing connection issues with your socket scanner? Let's walk through a factory reset so we can get your device back on track. Before we dive in, let's make sure your device's Bluetooth is turned off, or that you've forgotten the scanner in your Bluetooth settings. This step is super important for a fresh start. Now for the reset. First, make sure your scanner is powered on. Next, press and hold the scan button. That's the big button on the front. While you're holding that scan button down, quickly tap the power button once. Keep that scan button pressed though. You'll need to hold the scan button for about 15 seconds until you hear a beep, at which point you can finally let go. Your scanner will beep 5 times and power off by itself. If nothing happens, you probably released it too early. Once it's reset, power it back on and reconnect to your POS app. You should be good to go. For more help, check out page 22 of the user manual, which can also be found at help.shopify.com.